Sports Pinas, the master of ceremony, the spontaneous host Efren Olaso.
Yes, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Chandelier Events Place. And this is the 18th birthday celebration of our dear Iris. Now guys, before I start, can I ask first a big round of applause from all of our guests? Come on! Now tonight marks a new milestone for our dear celebrant. And of course, this is going to be an 18 years of laughter, stories, and memories together with all of her friends and loved ones. Now folks, Iris has grown into an astonishing lady where she is right now. And all of you have been part of that milestone for her. Now before I start, one more time, gusto ko pong marinig ang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang iyawan just to check if you guys are ready to start the celebration. So one more time, palambing po ng isang malakas na palakpakan na may hiyawan naman. Yun! Maraming salamat. Now I think you are all ready. At this point, folks, let's get ready because this night will be a night full of music and of course full of fun as we officially kick off and celebrate Iris' 18th birthday.